How to customize your character in Rush Xtreme. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're playing Rush Xtreme and want to customize your character, firstly open the Rush Xtreme app on your device. Once you're inside the main menu, tap on the t-shirt icon at the bottom of the screen, which will open the wardrobe section. Now, from here you can go ahead and change your character appearance by tapping on this little icon at the top left. Now select the rider. Some of the riders are not unlocked. It will need you to keep playing the game for it to be unlocked. Select a new character that has already been unlocked. You can go ahead and customize the character's head, their t-shirts, their bottoms, shoes, etc. Just go ahead and customize your character according to your preference. And then once you are done, you can head back to the main home screen and now you can play with your new character. So that is how you customize your character in Rush Xtreme. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.